Welcome back to another episode of Sarah and Leo English. Today, we are going to a networking party. Leo, imagine we are at a cool event in New York. Introduce yourself to me.
Okay. I am ready. Hello. My name is Leo. I am from Brazil. I am 25 years old. I like playing football and listening to music. I am a marketing specialist. Nice to meet you.
Leo? Are you finished?
Yes. I said my name, my country, my age, my hobby, and my job. It was perfect grammar.
It was perfect grammar, but it was terrible communication. You sounded like a robot. Beep boop beep. I am Leo. I am human. It was boring, stiff, and honestly, a little awkward.
Awkward? Really? But that is how I learned in school. Name, age, job, hobby. Is that wrong?
In a textbook, it is right. In real life, it kills the conversation. Nobody wants to talk to a resume, Leo. They want to talk to a person. Today, we are going to delete your robot mode and install natural mode.
Okay, please uninstall my robot software. What was the biggest mistake I made?
Mistake number 1, the I am list. You started every sentence with I am. I am Leo. I am from Brazil. I am 25. It sounds repetitive and mechanical.
I see. It lacks rhythm.
Exactly. Mistake number 2, TMI. Too much information. In Western culture, you don't need to say your age immediately. It's actually a bit rude or strange to announce I am 25 to a stranger unless they ask.
Oh. I didn't know that. In my culture, age is important for respect.
I understand. But in English-speaking environments, we focus on connection, not hierarchy. And mistake number 3, no emotion. You just listed facts. You didn't tell a story.
So, how do I fix it? How do I sound cool and friendly?
We need to use the flow. We connect ideas. We use contractions. And we add social hooks, small details that make people want to ask you questions. Are you ready to rebuild your introduction?
I am ready. Let's do this.
Let's start with the greeting. Don't just say hello. It is too formal. Use hi or hey. And use contractions. Not my name is, but I'm. Listen and repeat. Hi, I'm Leo.
Hi, I'm Leo.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Now, let's combine them naturally. Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Good. Now, what if you have a nickname? Or a difficult name? This is a great way to be friendly. Listen to this pattern. My name is Leonardo.
My name is Leonardo.
But you can call me Leo.
But you can call me Leo.
Full sentence, my name is Leonardo, but you can call me Leo.
My name is Leonardo, but you can call me Leo.
See? That phrase, but you can call me, immediately creates a friendship. It invites the other person to be close to you. Now, the location. You said I am from Brazil. That is boring. Let's add some flavor. Use the structure, originally versus currently. I'm originally from Sao Paulo.
I'm originally from Sao Paulo.
But I'm currently based in New York.
But I'm currently based in New York.
Full sentence, I'm originally from Sao Paulo, but I'm currently based in New York.
I'm originally from Sao Paulo, but I'm currently based in New York.
Excellent. Based in sounds very professional. Now, let's add a social hook. Describe your hometown with one adjective to start a conversation. I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
Which is famous for its amazing coffee.
Which is famous for its amazing coffee.
Full sentence, I'm from Brazil, which is famous for its amazing coffee.
I'm from Brazil, which is famous for its amazing coffee.
Now the other person can say, oh really? I love Brazilian coffee. You see? You gave them a hook.
I love the social hook idea. Now, what about my job? I usually say, I am a marketing specialist. Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it's dry. It tells me your title, but not your value. Try to describe what you do, not just what you are. Use the verb help or work on. I work in marketing.
I work in marketing.
I help companies.
I help companies
Grow their brand online.
grow their brand online.
Full sentence, I work in marketing. I help companies grow their brand online.
I work in marketing. I help companies grow their brand online.
Or, if you are a student, don't just say, I am a student. Say what you are studying and why you love it. I'm currently studying graphic design.
I'm currently studying graphic design.
Because I love creating visual stories.
Because I love creating visual stories.
Full sentence, I'm currently studying graphic design because I love creating visual stories.
I'm currently studying graphic design because I love creating visual stories.
This shows passion, Leo. Passion is attractive. Being a robot is not.
Okay, passion. Got it. Now, hobbies. I said, I like football and music. That is true, but
But it's a list. It sounds like a police interrogation. Instead of I like, Use phrases like I'm really into, I'm a huge fan of, or in my free time, I usually. I'm really into.
I'm really into.
Outdoor activities like hiking.
Outdoor activities like hiking.
Full sentence, I'm really into outdoor activities like hiking.
I'm really into outdoor activities like hiking.
I'm a huge fan of.
I'm a huge fan of.
Live music.
Live music.
Full sentence, I'm a huge fan of live music.
I'm a huge fan of live music.
And here is a pro tip, add a frequency or detail to make it real. When I'm not working.
When I'm not working.
You can usually find me.
You can usually find me.
At the gym.
At the gym.
Full sentence, when I'm not working, you can usually find me at the gym.
When I'm not working, you can usually find me at the gym. That sounds so much more descriptive. It paints a picture in the listener's head.
Exactly. Now, the final piece of the puzzle. Why are you here? In a social setting, you need to explain your presence. Are you new? Are you visiting? Are you looking for friends? I just moved here.
I just moved here.
So I'm looking to.
So I'm looking to.
Meet new people.
Meet new people.
Full sentence, I just moved here, so I'm looking to meet new people.
I just moved here, so I'm looking to meet new people.
I'm here for the conference.
I'm here for the conference.
And I'm excited to learn from experts.
And I'm excited to learn from experts.
Full sentence, I'm here for the conference and I'm excited to learn from experts.
I'm here for the conference and I'm excited to learn from experts.
Okay, Leo. We have practiced the chunks. We have the greeting, the name, the origin, the work, the passion, and the why. Now, put it all together. Be natural. Smile with your voice. Let's imagine we meet at a coffee shop. Hey. I think we are waiting for the same order. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Oh, hi Sarah. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, it is. I just moved to the neighborhood.
Oh, welcome. I'm originally from Sao Paulo, but I've been living in this area for about 2 years now. It's a great place.
That's awesome. What keeps you busy in the city?
Well, I work in marketing. I mostly help tech companies tell their stories. But when I'm not glued to my laptop, I'm usually out looking for the best hiking trails nearby. I'm really into nature.
No way. I love hiking too. We should trade tips sometime.
Definitely. I'd love that.
Leo. That was amazing. You didn't sound like a robot at all. You sounded like a cool, interesting person.
I felt the difference. I wasn't just listing facts. I was having a conversation. I used I'm originally, I work in, and I'm really into.
And you asked me questions back. That is the secret. An introduction is just the key to open the door. Once the door is open, you have to walk in.
This framework is so helpful. The robot is dead. Long live natural Leo.
Listeners, now it is your turn. Don't memorize a script. Learn these chunks and mix them to fit your personality. Practice in front of a mirror today.
And remember, nobody cares about your age unless you are a cheese or a wine. Focus on connection.
Great advice. See you in the next episode, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye everyone. Nice meeting you.